So you're ready to launch a meme coin on Robinhood Chain and don't know which launchpad to choose? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to launch a meme coin on Robinhood on Longbow.meme. And to show you right off the bat, I love the simplicity of this launchpad. If you click on Docs down here, you'll see it costs under $1 to launch a meme coin on Robinhood. The liquidity deploys straight to Uniswap version 4 and liquidity is locked immediately. You'll start at a $2,000 market cap and earn 90% of the fees generated for your token, which comes with a standard 1% trading fee. Also, what's nice about Longbow.meme is this Sourceify link down here. When you click it, you'll be taken to this page. You'll see right here it says Longbow Factory and the green check mark up here. This means everything is open source and verified for the Longbow launchpad. There is no honeypot mechanism. Everything is 100% verified on this page. So now let's go back here and show you how to deploy your first meme coin on Robinhood. I'll just put in Longbow.meme for this example, and I'll make the symbol be called long. For the website, we will of course use Longbow.meme. And for the X account, we will just use the Longbow profile. For the ETH to send, this is the flat fee you must have in your wallet before deploying. Any additional ETH you send will be used for buying your token. And I'll add a small amount to this so we at least have a 1 to 2% supply. The market cap starts at $2,000. So you'll need just over $20 of ETH in your wallet if you want to buy 1%. Once we have that, we will click deploy, sign our wallet, and our token will be trading live. And now your meme coin can be found on all major trading platforms such as Uniswap and GMGN. And that is how easy it is to launch a meme coin on Robinhood Chain. Now, if you want to get visibility to your token, it's important to have a DEX screener and a DEX tools profile. And Longbow.meme's banner profile option lets you get both of those profiles paid at once. This service costs 0.5 ETH currently, and the only requirement is you have an X profile set up for your meme coin. Your logo and banner image will be pulled from there, so make sure all your social media links are updated. And to claim your fees, simply connect your deployer's wallet and click on Claim Fees up at the top here. Then click on Find My Launches here, and you'll see a list of the tokens you have deployed. Now you'll just need to click Collect Fees on the token you just launched, and then confirm in your wallet to approve the withdrawal. And that's how easy it is to claim your creator fees. That's it for this tutorial. Now all's left for you to do is launch the next $1 million runner. And remember to always go long with Longbow.